Hi, Rusty Stainless here. You're having trouble with this back seat, aren't you? No matter what you do, you pull this lever or you pull that lever, nothing happens, nothing works. What's wrong? Well, actually there's nothing wrong. It's supposed to be like this, and that's so that when you have it in this down position, it doesn't accidentally flip up and crush whatever's in front here. So, what's the secret to making it flip up when you want it to? Well, let's put it back up here, and we release there. As we go down, click, it's unlocked down here. So up we go, and we go forward. That's how it's supposed to work. You don't need to adjust anything, it's fine. Do it one more time. Oh, push that back in. Put it up. Slowly come down. That click. That's about, if you're looking at the front, about 5 inches, 125 mils off the flat position. Up you go, it's a heavy sucker. And boom, into position. Give it a go.